Hello guys, my name is Rich Chakraborty and you are watching my channel, which is a technical channel, but I do gameplays occasionally, and currently I'm doing gameplays only. So I have been feeling the urge to get a good audio source which can accommodate the like noisy structure with some kind of AI noise cancellation and stuff. So I bought the Creo Rec mic bundle here. So in this bundle I got the microphone itself and the microphone boom arm. So guys, at the starting point you might need a little good audio because this is a very budget mic. Okay, this is a very budget mic which I got around you can say 2.8k, the whole bundle. So let's start the video, let's do the unboxing, let's begin. So here we have the boxes, and first we will do the unboxing of the Creo rod, which is the microphone boom arm. Let's see, first we get a template which is mentioning relentless rod. Okay, now I have one. So other than that, there is the uh, a pouch where um, a nut kind of a thing is there, the zip tie is there. This is the clamp, guys. Here you can see the nut I was talking about, and this is the clip which is attaching to the clamp mount of the microphone boom arm. We are yet to take out the uh, boom arm itself, but this is the uh, nut which is connecting to the microphone for other stands, I guess, because in this stand we did not require any. And other than that, there is some booklets, the black Creo sticker, and what is this? What is this? This is the Creo sticker which is in the white color, and one Allen key is also present. We are keeping it aside for now. We'll keep the clamp aside separately and take out the boom arm itself. Okay, so boom arm has a very flexible joint, and what it is doing is it is having a very like nice finish and all. There is two joints at both ends. One is the slim joint is connecting for microphone, and the one is the what you can say the thicker joint, thicker nut kind of a thing that is going inside the clamp. Now what we will do is we will keep those aside for now and insert the clamp end to complete the assembly of the boom arm. Now this is taking some time because it's very like tight, but still we will manage, we will push through, not a problem. And here we have attached the knob. See the flexibility on the joint which is connecting to the clamp, that is hard, but it is not a 360-degree fold here, guys. It is locking over there, so we will have to, I guess, change the orientation. Okay, so I will just do the unclamping again. Like I will unscrew the nozzle, then rotate the what do you say, the main arm, and press it against it. Now it is assembled, you can say. So boom arm assembly is complete, guys. Now we will proceed to the main microphone box, which is the rec loud and clear. So this microphone is, guys, very nice because currently the audio you are listening to, that is also being recorded from this mic only, and I am doing a voiceover because the audio has gone away. Like the phone I was recording it with did not capture any audio. So let's unbox it, guys. So how did the surprise take you through? So there is a bookmark of Roger Reck. There are three modes, all like that. I will explain it later on. Now the bigger pouch. Yeah, I have a relentless rod, I know. So the Creo pouch has something which we will need. That is the, what do you say, the cable. First thing is the cable, and I tore it when I opened it. As you can see here, too much force I am applying. So I'll keep the cable aside for now and check what other things are there. Let's see, it is a microphone holder, the long kind of nut which which I was talking about, not the yellow one. Yeah, this is a type C adapter which they are giving. And anything more? I believe Creo stickers are there. Show it to me. Yep, one black and one white. Two Creo stickers are there. And in the box what is left is the stand and the mic itself. So let's focus on the stand first. This stand has a like, it has a very hefty feeling to it, because it has to hold the mic's full weight. So it is a little bit heavy here. So this is the main microphone, guys. It has a headphone jack for audio monitoring and a type C connecting interface. And here you can see 5 LEDs. Yeah, LED. Yeah, so 5 LEDs are there, right? It will display accordingly. I will show you later on. It reacts to your decibel level. And and here on the top you will get, guys, two modes, which is the instant mute and 2-second tap ANC toggle, which even I am using right now. See, the ANC mode and the microphone mute toggle. So the mic is fabulous, guys. I am using it for a long time now. You can say I am using this microphone for 2 weeks now. So I am content with it. If I say I am not content with it, it will be a lie. So the type C interface is a huge plus, guys, because we can connect a type C to type C cable directly. And the in-ear, uh, like, not the in-ear, but the monitoring headphone jack is the like MVP here, because I can connect this through an aux to a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. So huge thanks to Creo for adding these features on a very budget microphone. So here is the USB to Type C cable, quite long we can say, because as you can see it is wrapped around a lot. So a very premium finish, guys. So let's start assembling the microphone here. We will take the long knob which is in the packet there. I don't know what I am doing with the zooming and all. See, here was the long knob I was talking about, which is on my other hand. Now you can see it. Yeah, I was going a little bit out of focus here and there, so pardon those little mistakes. So now in focus, happy, guys? So I'll assemble the mic and we will connect it to the base. As you can see, the silver part of the base is the ball joint which connects directly to that black nut of the microphone. And let's give it a quick spin. As you can see, I'm a very big fan of Beyblade at this point of time. So yeah, the microphone has a ball joint, as I told, so it can move according to your angle which you want to set. But these angles are not like very usable. That's why we ordered the boom arm as well. So anyway, guys, because I was using this microphone on the first week without the boom arm itself and with this stand only. So this stand has a very hefty feeling to it and it does the trick. Okay, so we will keep the joint aside for now. Not the joint but the stand, the little stand aside for now, and I will connect the boom arm now, guys. We will connect the boom arm now. And see, the boom arm has some clicking sounds. I believe I have not correctly connected the black nut which is hanging from the microphone there. And now, guys, this has a very premium feel to it. But what can we do? We need to start the video, guys, because not start, I mean, we need to continue with the video. Now we will clamp the boom arm to the table. That part was out of focus, guys, because in the focus range we cannot find any point to mount it where the whole boom arm would have been captured. So I'm just mounting on the side of the table itself, and I will bring the microphone after the table clamping episode has been ended, which will be right about now. Yeah. So now these we can say, even now I'm currently using the boom arm, right? So the angles are very important for some what you can say, some shots or some placements, because you need to get the better audio, like clear audio without the microphone hissing or the fan hissing noises or the traffic noises, because I live in a T conjunction here. So you can adjust it a lot because its adjusting range is quite good, I can say, because I have been using it for 2 weeks, and as you can see, there is a hollow part in the microphone arm metal part, right? Those are there for wire management, guys. That is very, very good. Okay, that is very, very good, and I have been using it. Like after the final setup of the microphone, I have been using it. So now we will connect the Type-C port to the uh, microphone directly, and I am not using, guys, the uh, what is it, the Type-C adapter, because it's not compatible with my phone. So what we can do, there are some little drawbacks, like some little drawbacks, some minor drawbacks, some major drawbacks. That is life, guys. So I have connected this to my direct desktop, and as I said, the audio was not very good, and I have lost some footage audios also. Hence I have set for voiceover, and as you can see, this audio is being recorded according to the environmental noises and the user how they are speaking. So as you can see, this LED is blinking, right? This is reacting on the decibel level which the microphone is hearing, or the particular condenser capsule is hearing, and it is on the normal mode, guys, because I don't want to share the normal mode because it will create a lot of problems. But still, you guys might be insisting, so I will toggle the normal mode, which you can see now. This is the level 1 without the noise cancelling. Now I will change it to ANC mode, and you can see the normal mode, which is the blue mode, which I am using on a daily basis. And now you can see the red, that is the microphone mute function. In the mute function, there will be all the LEDs lit with a red color. Now noise, what do you say, the noise reduction or the noise cancelling feature notices by a blue color. So on the green LED mode or the non noise cancelling mode, I wouldn't prefer to keep at that mode for a recording if you live in a very busy area, because it normally captures a lot of echo, and the environmental noises is also there. So always use the noise cancelling microphone, guys, if you are using, because these kind of microphones are not purchased on a like whim. You are not using if you are just chilling on a Discord call every night and every now and then. You don't buy for these kind of stuff. You keep the audio clean, because you need to prove your you need to prove your audio is good, you need to prove your voice over there. Hence you are doing a lot of dedicated stuff, and giving your research or giving your like talent demonstration and something. So you buy this kind of stuff when you are doing some entrepreneurial things. See, I fumbled there because my hand got chipped at that point of time because of the microphone flip. So a little bit careful, guys, because your hand can get chipped like that. So look wise, the microphone is great, guys, that I will say. But feature wise and audio wise, you guys are the judge here. I have been mesmerized by this audio, because if you tell me that I would have bought a microphone that is a condenser microphone, a professional microphone, I have never thought that, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like the video, if it is informative to you, please share with your friends, or like it is specially required for the guys who are just starting out as a YouTuber. So share with them, guys. Let them get a head start. Okay, thank you, guys. Like and share, please. So bye.